Did you know that the godfather of artificial intelligence quits Google? He warned about the dangers associated with AI, and Geoffrey Hinton, a well-known AI expert who helped create systems like ChatGPT, recently quit his job at Google because he's worried about AI becoming more powerful than the human brain. He's concerned that some people may use AI for bad things, so he wants to ensure it's developed safely with the right controls in place. Other experts like Elon Musk are also worried about the direction and speed of AI development. In fact, Musk signed an open letter calling for a pause on developing AI that is more advanced than ChatGPT until we have safety measures in place. Although AI has already made positive impacts in industries like healthcare, finance, transportation, we can't ignore the concerns raised by experts like Hinton and Musk. It's crucial to ensure AI is developed responsibly with proper safeguards and ethical considerations in place. While Hinton recognizes that AI has the potential to bring us many benefits in the short term, he also warns about the potential risks that come with it. What do you guys think about Hinton's warning? Do you believe that we need to take a step back on AI development? Share your thoughts in the comments below.